Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of How to DIY. And as your PC is having a problem and short-circuited and doesn't have any power, and you already tested if your power supply works, and if you don't know how to test your power supply, how it works, then the link will be over here. Check out that video first. And if you know your power supply works, then most probably your motherboard will be the cause of the problem why your PC is not going to turn on. Let's test the motherboard separate. We have to need a few components to make it work, and that is memory, the CPU, and a video card that needs to be connected. And then of course we need to connect it, the 4 pins from the power supply. And here I got an orange cable that runs to the power button. You know, in the front of your PC you got a power button. Click to push the button to click for power. This little power supply cord is going. Shows up really bad now with the video card. It's going right here where there is that little red block that says power supply. You can find everything right in front of it that says power. And that means there's the red next to the green. You see? Right here with my finger. We connect it up so we can use that little button to power it on and off. And to test if it of course really works. Does the motherboard still work? Yeah, it's all fiddly. You need to be gentle. And you also have to power up the big cable of course to the motherboard. And be careful with your video card. You don't want it to shake around too much and break any connections. You need to be very gentle with your PC hardware. Then there needs another cable from the power supply running here to the video card. This one is a little bit tricky because it's separate in 2 parts, but it needs to go together as a block of 4. And 1. Yes. And then another one of 3. Just check. If it's really pushed in 100%, everything is secured, everything is sitting correct. Then power up the power supply. That's good. Now we're just going to push that on and off switch. Hey, motherboard works. Everything seems to be okay. Well guys, that makes me very happy. That's saving me a lot of money. Let's turn it off again. So there's another component that works that I don't have to replace. My god, that's nice. I really hope you're liking this video, and hopefully it was very helpful to you guys. And you subscribe for the next episode. We're gonna show you how to rebuild a PC from scratch. I'm gonna say ciao. Until next time.